What's up everybody, my name is Ibra and welcome to my channel. In the previous episodes I showed you my cheap BMW and mentioned about its problems, how I bought it, and I wanted to change the wheels actually today, but it looks like it's gonna be a rainy day and I don't feel like doing something that is only visual for the car. I want to really fix the real problems. So in this episode I will remove the GM model that is the problem with the central locking, and let me show you the problem actually. So the car is locked. When I want to unlock it, it doesn't unlock. So what I have to do is use the key, unlock from this door, and eventually unlock the other one. But this is very annoying for a car that has these functions and it's not working. So what am I gonna do is removing the GM model that is behind of the glove box. I think I will use the only original BMW screwdriver to remove it. I found a shop who repairs this type of models. There are relays inside that they must be replaced. So I will quickly clean this mess here and start removing the parts. This shouldn't be so challenging. I haven't removed the glove box before here, but I see some bolts here. So I will remove them. There must be also one bolt here. Let me study with my fingers. I don't have access to this bolt. There is one bolt here, so I will remove this one. Okay, there is a piston here that must be removed as well, so I will remove the piston too. Removing this piston is not that hard. There is a pin here. When you press with a screwdriver from behind of the pin, it comes off. So now we are able to see the bolt here. There's another bolt there right behind of the piston. Since I work alone on my car, I'm not able to record every second of it. After I remove this 4 bolts here, the bolt from here and from behind of the piston, I just needed to pull off and it come off. It's very simple. So this was the easy part. I have access here. The hardest part is removing the model. I will see what I can do. I see the clips of the plugs here. I have to press them and to plug them off, and after that I will remove it. Actually there are these zips, or however they are called. They are on my way. I will remove them. I think only this one is on my way, but anyway, I will remove this quick zip. So this is getting more challenging. I will remove this thing first. This comes off easily. So the most challenging part wasn't removing the glove box, it's actually removing this frame. There is one bolt here, there is one clips here. Let me show you. Yes, this black one. And there is one there. I'm not sure I'm able to show this. It's right behind there, because there are these metal frames of the dash. I'm not able to remove this model. So let's remove this bolt. This is almost off, and get the model out. So I needed to just push it a little bit down, and this is coming off. Okay, so this is the model that we have to give it to be repaired. Oh, I got a little tired and my hands got dirty, but it's fine. Since I'm unemployed, I didn't want to pay for the fee removing this model. It took like 30 minutes 20 minutes, 30 minutes to discover everything, to have this model out. So I dropped the model to the auto electrician. I think it's the right turn. There's a little Nissan S13 that it looks nice, but I don't want to go ask for permission and to tape it, because most probably the owner is not here, so it won't be very pleasant. Anyway, I'm going to continue my daily routine. So I got the model. This is the model, and this is the relay that it's replaced. I'm going home. Let's fit this back. If it works, I'm going to be super happy. If it doesn't work, I don't know where to search the problem. So fingers crossed. So I'm home, but it started raining. Let's try to fit this model before it really starts raining. It stopped for a few minutes. Okay, we got the window. Okay, I'm so curious. Let's try. No, it's not working. Why it's not working? So it's not working. It was a little waste of time. I will try to wrap up with the rest of the trim and the glow box, etc. And I will take the car to the auto electrician, to the shop. Plugs are done. This piece of the trim is back again. There are these two cables. One of them is for the light, the glow box light, and the other one is going here. This one. And this one. I'm not mad, but I'm a little sad that I couldn't fix the problem, and taking cars to the mechanic shop takes so much time. They work with appointments. There is literally need of professionals for the automobiles in the market, and people are all booked up. So if you are trying to flip a car and you don't know how to fix it, it's actually becoming like a disaster. I put this hanger or whatever it is. So there's a little piston here that I fit as well, and there are 4 bolts left. I think this is another video how not to fix it. Not all the information in forums, in internet, in the community you find is the right solution. I gave a shot. I spent 25 euro and a few hours removing, fitting back, etc., and I couldn't fix the issue. So I hope you don't have this time and you work, you make good money, so you will be able to afford giving your car to the mechanic shop, and they will be finding the right solution for your car. But if you enjoy doing this, you have to give shots, you have to have the proper equipment, the diagnostic devices, and so on. A few more stuff to do, and I'm almost ready. So 3 bolts here. Okay, so 3 bolts here, this one, this one, this one, and one last here. So it's done. There will be soon videos of this BMW E46. This is 325 with some modification on it, mostly the visual modification. This went through some process of repairing, body shop, etc. And I really like driving this car. This is a 30 years old BMW, let's say. This is the 30 years old technology, and it just runs great. Nobody's perfect, and you may not be able to fix everything on the car, so there's nothing to do with it. Sometimes you have to take the car to the shop. Thank you for watching the video. I hope it's somehow helpful how to remove this model. Unfortunately, I couldn't fix the problem on my car, but maybe you will be able to fix the problem by just repairing the GM model. Thank you for watching. Please hit the button subscribe to support me, and there will be more videos of this BMW and the other one.